When in Yachats, Oregon, the best seafood restaurant is the Lunacy Fish House. 10 years ago, local fisherman Robert Anthony decided to stock his own restaurant with catches right from his boat, so you're knowing you're getting the absolute freshest seafood. All his menu selections are amazing. When you first arrive, you think there's very few tables, but as you can see, this restaurant, mainly due to COVID, winds round and round the building. They created a whole outdoor environment. Look at there's a nice space heater there, and you just twist around the outside of the building for plenty of available seating. It's spaced out, it's comfortable, and right here in the back, this is where you need to park because that's where all the best and easiest parking spaces are. My wife and I both ordered the Slumgullion. Doesn't it look amazing? It's a local clam chowder, but they've added bay shrimp, and particularly this restaurant added a nice white cheese to it, which gives it a tremendous taste. Stirring in that cheese gives it a wonderful richness and a great textural component. And look, cheese pull. My wife was really impressed with the cheese pull. This chowder is rich and gooey. The bay shrimp add a nice textural component to it. The potatoes are cut perfectly, and you will taste clams in every bite, but not overpowering, a very delicate taste. The garlic bread is good, and listen to that crunch. It's really good to take this delicious, crispy, fresh bread and dip it in this wonderful chowder. Delicious. So when in Yachats, be sure to go to the Lunacy for some really delicious seafood dishes and amazing chowder. Please like, follow, and subscribe to this video if you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.